we prepared a blueprint for this transformation, including detailed plan for specific projects that will enable us to meet both short and long-term goals. From the result of this exercise, we drew up an ambitious budget totaling 42 billion for the year 2000. That is designed to jumpstart long-term sustainable development and economic activities in the state. Ladies and gentlemen, the government can only actualize these ambitious targets if it has adequate financial resources. Unfortunately, the revenue allocation formula whereby the federal government levies the vast bulk of its non-oil taxes and revenue on the state in form of company income taxes, VAT, custom and excise duties, is severely lopsided. This is further worsened by the fact that we are not entitled to even the paltry 13% derivation granted to oil-producing states. It is therefore imperative to efficiently deploy the acute scale resources towards executing government comprehensive transformation programs. As we try to take care of our people, we have come across some obstacles. For instance, the absence of a comprehensive and accurate data on the specific need of citizens and taxpayers. It hinders inefficient allocation of scarce resources, often leading to either outright wastage or suboptimal satisfaction of citizens' social amenity needs. We therefore need to know for certain what the needs of our people are and the priorities in certain areas, because what is priority in one area may not be so in another. To effectively alleviate social infrastructure need of Lagosians, we need to know also where the pressures are so that government can adequately provide or restore these amenities before they collapse. This is why I am happy today I'm launching the Lagos State Amenity Restoration and Improvement Project, Larip. Among other things, Larip will benefit the citizens in the following ways. It will enable citizens to indicate by way of priority the social amenities required in each area, thereby providing government the data required to plan effectively. Similarly, Larip will benefit the government by generating a much-needed database of its people, which is required for effective planning and good governance. It will also restore confidence in those who have developed a sense of apathy towards government. Ours is a responsible and responsive administration. We like to know from the people what the problems are so that government can direct specific efforts at solving them. I hereby enjoin all citizens of Lagos State to cooperate with our field men as they go about collecting necessary data. It is time to begin to reap the fruit of democracy. The lowest apples are the good ones that we've just started. The future of our children, the planning of the generation yet unborn, will depend upon the accuracy of the data being collected. Hence, it is necessary to once again appeal to the public to cooperate fully with all participants. I for once again commend the sense of patriotism of the participants and consultants being used, all of you assembled here today. It is frustrating to look at the complexity of Lagos State's requirement. And sometimes you wake up and you don't know where to start. However, inasmuch as you look at faces that are more frustrated than yours, you can always smile into it. And if you look around and ask questions, and people are ready to really fully participate, it means we've arrived. We've reached a target that we are real people that can take our life, our future by ourselves and wield the steering to direct the future of the next generation. I sincerely thank you for your commitment, and hereby AHMED together launch Larip.
Permanent secretaries are present, directors, distinguished members of the press.
You don't know how far it will go. I don't know how useful they will be. This to give a vote of thanks to my Honorable Commissioner for Finance. At the time I took Olawale off the private sector market and made him public, it was, the transition program. How do we continue to criticize the problem of our country if we don't participate? And being the chairman of a very powerful group of private sector, the new generation, was fully with me from the time I started the primary to the end, from the registration. It became a very challenging thing after the transition blueprint to now say, Wale, you are going with me to government. It took me a couple of days to think about it. How do I start with him? Because I know him inside out. I know he's totally committed, to his profession and his course, and he had a new challenge that he didn't hide from me. A huge amount of investment that is not a local investment with another very important and reputable foreign company. They met me in their way. Then, no matter what, you have to make a sacrifice, if only for 6 months, and join this. And ever since, we've never talked of 6 months. And it's just been committed. I've been dedicated, and I've since then transformed the financial activities of the government, and they continue to be very innovative and proactive in all the aspects of it. Tireless night on Aeron project. Tireless night on Aeron project, the tax problems, and a whole lot of innovative things to make a change in the state. To the entire members of Team Wale, thank you very much.
The Lagos State government has just introduced the Lagos State Amenities Restoration and Improvement Project to make our life better. But we need your help. Our building will be coming with questionnaires for you to build correctly. We need your feedback so that government can help to serve you better. This is a time to